हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, श्योर शॉर्ट सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट ओवर हो गए हैं। तो अब करना ये है आपको कि सैंपल पेपर्स एटलीस्ट 6 या 7 नंबर तक थॉरो पढ़ जाइए। श्योर शॉर्ट्स जो दिए गए हैं वो थॉरो पढ़ जाइए, लेकिन अभी भी कंफर्ट जोन में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो तब तक नहीं है जब तक कि एग्जाम का पेपर आपके टेबल पर ना आ जाए एंड यू टेक अ रिलीफ, साई ऑफ रिलीफ कि हाँ चलो अच्छा गया एग्जाम। सो उससे पहले आपके पास अभी तरह तरह के ऑब्स्टेकल्स राक्षस के फॉर्म में आएंगे, और सबसे बड़ा राक्षस क्या है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। कितना भी बना दे रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल नहीं आ रहा है। तो आज का वीडियो हमारा फोकस करेगा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के श्योर शॉर्ट्स पे, अपार्ट फ्रॉम हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस। आज हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, 7 और 8 क्वेश्चंस। उनको थरोली कर लीजिए, उससे बाहर नहीं आएगा। क्लियर? चलिए तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से, जहां पे हमें एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दिया है। दिस इज योर P, दिस इज योर R एंड दिस इज योर Q। और आपको क्या निकालना है? tan P माइनस cot R का वैल्यू। ये दिया हुआ है आपका 12 सेंटीमीटर और ये दिया हुआ है 13 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है, अगर आपको याद करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? tan P निकालना है तो P के लिए एंगल के सामने वाला परपेंडिकुलर होता है, ये मालूम ही नहीं है हमें। तो सबसे पहला काम क्या करेंगे? QR का लेंथ निकालेंगे यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, अंडर रूट h स्क्वायर माइनस 12 स्क्वायर। तो QR कितना हो गया हमारा? 169 माइनस 144, ये आ गया 25 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ tan P। tan P है तो क्या हो जाएगा? QR by P Q, that is 5 by 12। Now again अब हमें लेना है cot R। अगर R ले रहे हैं तो परपेंडिकुलर ये हो गया, तो बेस कौन होगा? QR एंड cot इज B by P। तो हमारा हो गया QR by P Q। This again will become 5 by 12. Now we have to find the value of tan P minus cot R। 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 कितना होगा? This is your answer. Clear? So the question number 2 says, if A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. This is right angle, this is A and this is B. Now what has been given is cos A is equal to cos B. So if we take this as theta, perpendicular is this, correct? And hypotenuse is AB. So cos A will come as BC upon AB. Equation 1. Now take cos B. So perpendicular will become AC and hypotenuse will remain same. As per the question, cos A and cos B are equal. So what we are going to do is BC by AB is equal to AC upon AB. This gets cancelled. So we will get BC is equal to AC. Hence, this implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This implies angle B is equal to angle C. Why? These are base angles. Hence, proved. Clear? So here is question number 3 for us. We have been given the value of cot theta, which is equal to 7 by 8, and we are supposed to find the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So first basic thing is We'll find the value of sine theta, we'll find the value of cos theta, we'll put the values and then we will simplify. But in spite of that, if we use our identities, like this is a plus b and a minus b, what's the formula? A square minus b square. So this again will become 1 minus cos square theta. Now we know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So what we can write is cos theta upon sine theta whole square. Cos by sine is cot theta. So cot theta value is 7 by 8. So what we will get is 49 by 64. This is our answer. That is the easiest way to solve this question. Otherwise, you can go for a longer process as well. Okay. Let's take on question number 4. If tan a plus b is given as root 3, tan a minus b has been given as 1 by root 3, we need to find the values of a and b. So let's start. Tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. In tan, the value of root 3 comes for tan 60 degree. So a plus b will become 60. Equation 1. Again, tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, which is equal to tan 30 degree. So this implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, what we get? 2a equal to 90 degree. This implies a is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. We will substitute it anywhere. So 45 minus b is equal to 30. So this implies 45 minus 30 is equal to b, that is 15 degree. So value of a is 60 degree. Value of a is 45 degree, sorry. And value of b is 58 degree. Clear? Let's move to question number 5. Express sine A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay? The question is not very tough if you stick to the basics, but normally students skip this type of questions. What we need to do is see, cot and sine are nowhere related, but sine is related to cosec and excuse me, and we know that cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. So we can write as cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. But we need only cosec A. So sine A will be equal to 1 by under root 1 plus cot square A. This is your first answer. Now, we will write sec in form of cot A. Sec and cot are not related, but sec and tan are related. So what we will do is sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. This is the other identity formula. So sec square A we can write as 1 plus tan square A. But we need to write in cot. So what we'll do is 1 plus 1 by cot square A, which can be written as cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. So sec A will come as under root cot square A plus 1 by cot A. This is your second answer. The third one is tan A in form of cot. This is the easiest one. You know very well tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. This is the easiest one. This is answer number 3. So first answer, second answer, third answer. All are in for terms of cot A. That is what question was asking for. Okay. So just remember the identities to solve this type of questions. Now we'll be solving three very important identities which has been repeating since last 10 to 12 years. Okay. So the first question is, prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So what we will do is we'll start from LHS. And our first step will be cosec theta will be equal to 1 by sin theta. Cot theta will be cos theta by sin theta. So taking LCM, we'll get 1 minus cos theta. We can write as 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is your sin square theta. But in the RHS, we don't have sine. So first thing we have to get rid of this sine. So 1 minus cos theta whole square, sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We can write as 1 minus cos theta whole square. Here we'll use a square minus b square formula. 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. This gets cancelled. So 1 minus cos theta by cos theta, which is our RHS. Hence, proved. Clear? Let's go ahead with the second identity. This is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. And we need to prove this as equal as tan theta. Let's start with LHS. It's very clear, sin theta is common. So take sin theta. That's 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is cos theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now, see one thing. Sin by cos is tan. We need that. So, one thing is very clear. Somehow we need to cancel this. Once we do this, our work is done. So, what we'll do is sin theta. Let's write this as 1 minus 2. And sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta. Let's keep this unchanged. So, sin theta, this will become 1 minus 2, minus is plus. This will go as cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, sin by cos is tan, and here we can write 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and this. So this gets cancelled. So finally we are left with tan theta, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Clear? So let's go with the last identity, and this is neither VBI question nor probable question. This is the certain question that's going to come in this time. Okay, so please focus on that. So LHS will write as, let's copy the question first, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now let's use A plus B whole square. So what's going to happen is sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2AB. So 2 sin A into cosec A. Now let's do this again. Cos square A sec square a and 2 cos a sec a. Now, see, we have sine square and cos square. Sine square a plus cos square a. Group it. We have cosec square a and sec square a. Group it. Now, sine into cosec is 1. So, this will become 2. Cos into sec is 1, so 2. We'll write the reason. Sine A into cosec A is equal to 1 and cos A into sec A is 1. So, see, this is your 1, this is your 4, 1 plus 4, and these two are unwanted things which is not available in RHS. In RHS we need tan and cot. So we'll write the formula of cosec square A, which is 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Now count the ones. 4, 5, 6 and 1. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. There's your. So this brings to the end of the most important question from trigonometry part. Clear? Now your work is to solve, resolve and repeat it till you master these questions. It's a matter of only 8 questions. So at least this much can be expected from you. Okay? Do well. Stay tuned till the next video.